Thank you so much. I promise to be the best Miss Mixed Makeup. Change the world. World peace.
All right, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and find us on Instagram, Sharzad Kiadeh, Susan Yara.
That's right.
Sharzad,
Yes,
what comes to mind when I say Miss America?
Me? Actually you, to be honest, because you're the only pageant person that I know that was ever in Miss America.
Yeah.
Miss New Mexico, everybody, in the flesh, right here.
Yep,
Woo!
2004. So I competed a long time ago, you guys, but I did. I competed at Miss America, and you know, I feel like people don't know enough about Miss America.
I certainly don't.
Yeah.
I don't know anything.
It's kind of, you know, Miss America has been in the news a lot lately, and I think that there are positive changes that are coming to it. And so today I wanted to talk to people about Miss America while doing your Miss America beauty look.
She's transforming me into a pageant girl, everybody, and I'm ready. I don't know where that accent came from, but I'm ready. I'm
ready.
so excited to become this person.
Let's start all over again. Ready? No makeup in 3, 2, 1. So obviously, Sharzad does not have any makeup on. She's still absolutely gorgeous, and she was practicing her wave.
You are so sweet. Thank you, Susan. I'm getting into character.
Exactly. You know what? The thing is, Miss America competitors, I don't think they were in character.
Oh, okay. I don't know anything about pageants.
So
that was not my world.
I'm going to break down what the difference is, okay?
Okay.
There is the Miss America competition, and then there is the Miss USA
And
competition.
Susan was in Miss America.
Miss America.
She was Miss New Mexico.
So Miss America, they're competing for a scholarship, right?
Okay.
And to be Goodwill ambassadors. Miss USA, they're competing for a modeling contract. So that kind of tells you the big difference. Like that is the big...
What am I competing for today, Susan?
Today you are
What
competing
do
to
you
become
think?
Miss Mixed Makeup.
Oh, good. I need my face for the pageants,
You
though,
need
don't I,
your face.
Susan? I need
So,
my face.
yes.
I've got to put my face on
You gotta
now.
put your makeup on.
Oh,
Okay,
no
so-
pageant girl should be out in public without a face.
So the look we're gonna do, the look I'm gonna do on you is my competition makeup.
Is this pageant girl makeup circa 2004?
It was
Got
actually the 2005 pageant
Okay.
that you were competing for, like the 2005 Miss America crown.
All right.
But I was Miss New Mexico 2004.
All right. Heavy eye.
Heavy eye.
lip.
Yeah, you're on stage.
Yeah.
Lots of bright lights,
Right.
right? Spotlights. It's that dramatic, like you're walking down the run, like that stage makeup, you know? So it was like smoked out eye, bright. I had bright pink lips I actually put
Like
on
this
my
one?
lip, yeah, to kind of show you. I was going for like brunette Barbie.
Okay.
I was
wanna
super
do that.
tan.
Yeah.
Super tan. And
So
on top
tan.
of it,
Yeah.
I went and got that like Sally Hansen. You remember that spray on?
Oh,
like,
yeah. That
tan
was my
stuff?
jam.
Oh yeah, that
Yeah.
was such good stuff. We're gonna go pink curls because it's all about volume.
Volume. I want
Volume.
more volume.
So, you know, I got a curling iron here. All right, so I'm starting with pin curls.
I feel so lucky that Miss New Mexico is doing my hair.
Yeah, you know, just adding some volume. Miss America was one of the best experiences of my lives, and
Yeah, I've heard you
of my
say
life,
that
yeah.
before.
And it's one of those things where it's like, it taught me a lot. It kind of has made me who I am today.
Cool.
All right, I got the pin curls in. The whole reason to do pin curls is not because you want like super wavy hair, but because you want the volume. So you're just essentially taking that heat, pinning it, letting it cool, putting a little hairspray because, you know, you do hairspray when you're in pageants.
I'm ready for my face, Susan.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. So we're gonna do makeup.
Goody,
And
goody, goody,
we,
goody.
of course, because you're gonna be on stage or on camera in this case, I'm using this Bobbi Brown primer. I love, I'm wearing this
Okay,
right now. I
okay,
love
okay.
this stuff. It is so, so good.
Susan's never done my makeup before, so this is really
I
exciting.
haven't
She's
done
gonna-
someone's makeup in a long time,
she's
you
gonna
guys.
touch my face.
I am gonna touch your face and I'm gonna make you look hot.
Yeah, bitch! Pageant
All
girls
right.
have good posture, right?
Yeah, they do have good posture.
How about now?
And you know why you go Southern? Because Southern girls are really into pageants. I mean, Southern Texas has a pageant. The Miss Texas pageant is like
I bet it's some of the
It's
most beautiful girls on the
It's not
planet.
just beautiful,
Yeah.
but they are serious.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, it's almost a bigger pageant. I want to say it's a bigger pageant than the Miss America pageant. It is time for foundation, and I actually am going to use Bobbi Brown again.
Because you love that.
I love this. I
You
love
love it
this
so much.
foundation. It's nice and light, but long wearing, and that was a big theme.
Long wearing.
Long wearing. All right, so I just finished putting on some concealer under the eyes, and I'm gonna bake you. At the time, I had no idea that's what it was called. No idea I was baking. I was already down with it. Next, eyes.
I've got those.
I'm gonna use 2 creams. I'm gonna use this magnetic eye color, Lilith, by Nude Sticks.
Ooh, Nude Sticks is fun.
Oh yeah, it's super fun. And that's gonna go right in the corner of your eye first to give you a little pop. And then I'm gonna use a brown Makeup Forever Aqua Cream. This is shade 14. It's a brown, basically. So a lot of the colors that I used on stage were neutrals, because it was just easier to do that. I'm using a Naked palette just because everyone knows that, you know, these have some of the best neutrals.
Right,
And neutral
they do.
was literally, like, I just brought neutral eyeshadows with me to Miss America to compete.
What did you do with your title as Miss New Mexico?
So-
you have it for a year.
Yeah, my whole
Yeah.
thing was to, at the time, I really felt like young people weren't that interested in like world issues and what was going on in politics and everything. I really wanted to change that and start conversations and, you know, make sure that they
Knew what was
weren't-
going on.
Yeah,
in the-
they were
in the world.
interested.
Yeah.
Going with half baked here.
Okay. A lot of baking.
A lot of baking. All right, we are going to do eyeliner. You want a tight line?
Sure.
So I don't poke your eyes out. Right in there. Exactly. It was like you'd be cleaning out like black eyeliner after you washed your face.
For like the next few days. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's what I was going for. Intense, intense.
I like it.
It looks really pretty.
Cool. I like it.
Yeah. Again, the name of the game was to make
Stage
it
makeup,
last.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we went with a gel pot. This is by Shiseido.
Ooh.
You've got your eyeliner on. We're going to do a little
This is so
A
fun.
little
I
curl of
actually
the
never
lashes.
curl my lashes.
yeah, a little
so-
curling of the lashes, and then she's gonna put on some lashes. I kind of feel like you don't need lashes. Sharzad has beautiful lashes, guys.
Thanks.
I mean, look at that. Maybe you don't need lashes. Maybe we're okay with no lashes. Gorgeous. Okay, so we don't need lashes because you just have gorgeous lashes.
Thanks, Susan.
Now I'm going to bronze the crapola out of you.
My favorite part. Bronze me, bronze me.
Always a matte brown. All right, we're gonna use this blush, Pretty Pop of Pink.
Pretty Papa Pink.
And then last, you guys, lips. And I went bold.
Bold.
Remember?
That's kind of what you're rocking
Yeah,
now.
I'm rocking this right now.
I like
It
it.
was Brunette Barbie.
Yeah,
That's-
I actually love that color though. Actually, I
Nice.
love this color. I do. I really do. I love it. I do. I love this color.
All right, I'm just gonna smooth it. It's a hairspray you can brush out. That's the key.
Big hair, baby.
Big hair, don't care. It was all about the big hair. I'm still all about the big hair. I love big hair. All that is left now for Sharzad to be Miss Mixed Makeup
What is it?
is to crown you.
Ah!
It is your crowning moment. I pull out the clear caboodle that always holds a crown. This is my Miss New Mexico crown.
Okay, I thought that you gave it back to the next girl.
No, this is my
you
crown.
keep it
It's like
forever.
rusted and
Oh my god, it's so
it's a
pretty
little
though.
dingy. It's a little dingy right now. It has not been taken out. I now crown you Miss mixed makeup.
I have waited my whole life for this moment. Thank you to the fans who voted for me. Thank you everybody for making me Miss Mixed Makeup.
How does she look,
Oh
guys?
my God.
You kind of can't move when you have your crown on.
I know, I really can't. Thanks.
Because you don't want it to fall all over the place.
This was fun. I still
so
can't
happy.
really move my head because I'm terrified. Because this is Susan's real crown. This ain't no like
It's
99
not your
cent
fault.
store
I mean, it looks
crown.
beautiful on you. It still shimmers.
Special. I feel so
It's
special.
beautiful.
Thanks, Susan, for touching my face and
Thank you.
making
Thank
me
you
feel all
for thank you for
pretty.
hearing about the Miss America pageant.
I know, I was teasing you a little bit, but I'm really happy that you were in it and
I
that
was
you
too.
are such a positive role model for young women, because I feel like if that's at the end of the day what the pageant can be, is like women inspiring other women and you having a platform to speak about whatever goodwill you want to do, then that's great. If you were a pageant girl, tell us what pageant you competed in. I would love to know. And for my final goodbye, this is from Toddlers and Tiaras.
Okay.
They call me cutie, cutie patootie, rocking that stage, just shaking my booty.
Thanks for watching this video, you guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and watch this next video.
It's really fun. Do it right now.